at Tameron Honda in Hoover, and I want to thank you for your online inquiry on the brand new 2020 or 2019 Honda CR-V. Now you weren't very specific on which model, which trim that you're interested in, because we wanted to kind of go over some of those great features that come on all the models, like your Honda sensing package, which is going to be your lane keep assist, lane departure mitigation, forward collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. Also, you're going to come with power locks, power windows. You're going to come with your Bluetooth, multi-angle backup camera. The list goes on and on. Admin, I can't wait to show you this vehicle in person when you get here. So if you will, give me a call at 205-821-7846. Set up your VIP test drive today. There's one thing I can guarantee you: when you get here to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.